Let's try to do this LeetCode mock assessment thing. Let's get started. Each section will include up to 2 questions, and I have 1 hour to complete all questions. Let's see how it goes. We have 2 questions. I'll try to use Java to solve it. First, I'm going to read the question. Assume given a string paragraph and a string array of banned words, return the most frequent word that is not banned. So we have this paragraph. The most frequent word that is not banned. So this return hit. Wait, ball. Okay, so I guess the fastest way to do it is to just, split the paragraph into words, and then, and each will have their frequency. Then I'm gonna iterate that hash map thing. So, okay. A doc. Okay. Spaced one of the symbols. So if it is one of the symbols, then it means it's like a separator. I guess I can do some kind of regex to just split everything. Like, you can either, so that's basically anything that is not A to Z. I assume English letters, there's no digit. Only lowercase characters. Wait, what if, so if there's an uppercase character, English letters, so banned, okay, case insensitive. Okay, the paragraph should be case insensitive. So if there's like a capitalized HIT, and that should also return. Now that's should be one of the. Okay, now that I think I have like a very thick solution. The thing that we need to do first is to split paragraph to words using regex, I think. And the second thing is to, for each word, increment the frequency. In the hash map, and then, well, if it is not, keep record of the most used word, most I don't know how to speak that in English. Most appeared word. I'm not sure if that's a word. Keep record of the most appeared word. Okay, and then just return it. Return that, actually. It doesn't really matter. I don't know. Can't speak. Okay, so I guess that's basically like the flow. I guess the most difficult part will be the first one. What would be the Ajax? Like, how can I... And also, it has to be case insensitive. If I wanted to make it case insensitive, I might as well just make the whole paragraph to lowercase first. That would kind of fix the issue, so I don't have to consider whether it's uppercase or not. So if it is banned, it's guaranteed at least one word that is not banned. Okay, just guarantee that the answer is unique. Okay, so I might as well just split them to words. And before I split them, I need to make them appear like a paragraph. What am I talking about? First of all, I need to convert all of them into lowercase. And then I need to split them by anything that is not A to Z. I assume, I'm not 100% sure, but there's actually a way to do it. String words equals to paragraph split, and then I can split this to what should I call it? So anything that is not A to Z, I think. Anything that is not lowercase letter, I want to split them. And then, well, let's just see how it works. I know it's totally not allowed in a real interview, but I guess in a real interview I can just assume this will work, but because we're doing the compiler thing, so I have to make sure it's compiled. Oh, it actually doesn't work. So this split doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Huh. It basically doesn't split anything. Bro, first of all, I need to make sure that they are lowercase. I think this that thing, non-word. Is that? I think that's that. Okay, let's see. Ball hit. Okay, I think so. Well, there's a chance that. Wait, this one? There? Is it an empty thing? I don't know. Well, comma is not a word too. I don't know actually. Does it work? It is that. Wait, it doesn't work. Something like that? Not entirely sure. Okay. We got something. I feel like it's totally... Okay. That's totally not... Wait. Bob hit a ball. A to Z. I don't understand. I don't understand how it works. So I will stick with this then. And then if it is empty, then I will just ignore it for string the word in words. If it is empty, and just continue. Otherwise, I'm gonna print a word. See how it goes. I'm still doing step 1, by the way. Ball hit the ball. Yeah, I think that actually works. Okay, fair enough. And so I need to make them in hash set and set new hash set for string word in the band and then band set at word. This thing is lowercase. If it is empty or band set contains this word, I mean this band. Otherwise, frequent would word frequent get word default word 0 plus 1. I guess that's that. And I just return best. So I guess the best will start as empty string. If frequent get word is greater than frequent get best, and then best will equal word. I guess that's the idea. And finally, just return the best. I think that kind of makes sense. So the time complexity for this is just to iterate everything. And the state complexity is also O(n), so both of them will be O(n). I'm not entirely sure how this thing is going to execute under the hood, but I'm going to assume there's O(n). So get word default word 0. Yeah, it actually makes sense. Okay, let's see what we get. It's looking good to me. Oh, I should return the lowercase. Okay. Anyway, so that actually worked. Except, though this word must be lowercase because I do the lowercase here. Okay. Okay. Error cannot find symbol. Frequent put. What does that even mean? Which symbol you cannot find? Okay, the frequent, of course. I'm just so dumb. Okay, this should the key should be string hash map, and the value should be integer. I think should be that. What frequent put? Which symbol you cannot find? Okay, there's just some spelling mistake. Should be good. What in value? Oh, because this is noun. Let's say if word is empty. Okay, or it's not word is empty, it's like best is empty. Oh, should return Bore? Actually, right. Let's try a dog. Then, oh, hold on a second. Would that work? I don't think that would work. Right? I'm not sure how it's gonna work. I'm not sure. Okay, it works. Never mind. I'm a genius. Sure, twice. Okay. In any case, let's try to submit this. Hey, I passed. Let's look at the next question. You are asked to cut off all the trees in a forest for a golf event. The forest is represented as an n by n matrix. In this matrix, 0 means the cell cannot be walked through. 1 means the empty cell that can be walked through. A number greater than 1 represents a tree in a cell that can be walked through, and this number is the tree height. In one step, you can walk in any of the 4 directions: north, east, south, and west. You are standing in a cell with a tree. Okay. You're starting at 0, 0. Return the minimum step you need to walk. Cut off all the trees. If you are standing in a cell with a tree, you can choose whether to cut it off. You must cut off trees in order from shortest to longest to tallest. When you cut off a tree, the value at its value become 1. -1. Okay, you must cut from smallest to tallest. This is only 50. Height of all trees are distinct. So basically, if it is 0, 0, it means you cannot go there. Is that it? Isn't that just like the sum of... Interesting. Okay. Well, I feel like I should do... where's the core? The Floyd algorithm, or something like that. Like each pair will have a shorter distance. I don't remember what that's called. And then from there, I can just add up everything. Yeah, I think so. 0, 0. Or I can do BFS. By BFS, I mean I start from the top left, then I try to do a BFS to find 2. And then from 2, I start another BFS to find 3. And from 3, I start another BFS to find 4. And if at one point I cannot, okay, it's actually easier because BFS will, because the time complexity. If I use the Floyd algorithm, is going to be n cube. It's going to be n cube anyway. Okay, I think that kind of makes sense. First is to BFS. Well, actually, I don't have anything else to say other than saying that it's a BFS. So BFS. Adjacency list. So this is like I actually hate this first because it is not a 2D array, but it should be a 2D array. Anyway, I just start from, so of course I need the first start R start C, and then start first. And then I should return. What should I return? Okay, anyway. I should start from the top left, and I keep doing, and I guess I'm keep accumulating the answer. So I'm going to return infinity if equals to like integer next value, something like that. So I'm just gonna BFS starting at 0, 0, go to next value. So I need to know the location of next value. So I need to know, so I need to do a 0, get location of all values. So it means like a hash map. I need to fill a hash map. So it means it's like a location. Okay. It should be distinct. Is it from 1 to something? Is it starting at? Okay, it should be distinct. Okay. I think so. We need to have a location. We need to have a location or something for each value, as it has map integer. Oh, then I need to iterate from the lowest to the biggest as well. But is 0, 0 going to be the smallest? It's not, right? We must cut the tree from shortest to tallest. Become 1 an empty cell. Wait, do I need to do a BFS? Oh, because some of the path is 0, so I need to do a BFS. Otherwise, I can just calculate the, I can just calculate using an algebra or something. But since there could be some obstacle, then I cannot actually do that. In other words, I need to do a BFS. Okay. And the key is going to be the integer, and the value is going to be an integer as well. So this one, I guess, is going to be a hash map or something. And then it's like location, I think. It's going to tell the location of this value. And then I also need to go from the smallest to the biggest. Values array list, I assume. So 4. So I need to know the height of the forest is going to be this one, and the width of the forest is going to be forest.get0.size, which is like the column, actually the number of columns. And then I can just iterate for integer r equals 0, r less than height, r plus plus, r means column. For c equals, in c equals 0, c less than width, c plus plus, then c means column. And then location, sorry, not location. Wait, is location, right? Put this value. New int, so it's gonna be 2. Is r and c, or just the location of that. The value is just a forest, get r, get c, I believe. And it values at val, I think. I think that's that. And once we have this kind of information, I'm just going to start from arrow, cur arrow, maybe cur arrow equals 0, cur c equals 0, and then I'm going to iterate every value in the values. Oh, I need to sort them first. I remember something like collection.sort in values. So the thing that we need to do here is for each value sorted, I need to know my current location, my current location to that next location. This equals to you know, BFS. Oh, start. Oh, you need to end C and R and C, I think. So we need cur R, cur C, and next R and next C, I think. So next R equal to, you know, location. Well, let me get the location first. Location equals to locations get value. Actually, I cannot use these locations because it's already used. So this one, location 0 is going to be the next row, and location 1 is going to be the next column, I guess. And then if this distance is equals to infinity, then it means that I cannot reach from current point to the next value for some reason. Most likely is because of the 0 that's blocked my path. So I'm gonna return -1 here because this is not reachable. Otherwise, answer will add equals to dist. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. That looks pretty good to me. So I need to implement this BFS. Okay, I still have 32 minutes left. Start from okay. Start R and start C, and then R and then C. Okay, so it's like cur R equals to start R, cur C equals to start C, and just return answer. I assume it's some sort of answer here. And then what I need to do is to start from, well, hold on. Wait, hold on. While cur R is not equals to, hold on. It's not that it works. It's not how it works. Because there could be multiple paths. So what I need to do here is to return infinity here. Well, actually, I don't need to do infinity. So I create one last variable. So if it is -1, I just return -1 here. And then level equals 0. And then I just do a basic BFS here. So while, in order to do BFS, I need to create a queue. So this one is going to be, I think it's a linked list. Okay, I actually don't remember the exact syntax of that. I think it's linked list. Linked list. Oh, hold on. It's not linked list, is it? It's a queue, sorry. Queue integer. Go queue. This linked list is here. Is it? I think it is. So while, okay, there's a lot of space here. Queue is not empty. Okay, I need to I need to do the height again. Let me just copy this line. Maybe just level here. 0. Is it visited? No. I need to know whether it's visited or not, so I don't recalculate the thing. Or do I need them? Yeah, I think I need them. Visited. HW. And while the queue is not empty, I'm going to iterate everything from the queue. I think it is pretty standard in BFS. Queue visited action W. So I need to pop this thing. I think this one is popped, and then queue pool. Okay, what am I pulling? Yeah, of course, I'm pulling a location, so it has to be that. So this one is some pool. Queue offer. Where's it called? New integer without integer array. So start arrow and start C and visited start arrow start C equals to true. So there are like 4 directions we can go. So it's either up, right, left, down. So there's a common way to do it is to just create 2D array to represent like the delta of each direction. For example, the first item you can see here is 0, -1. It means that it's going up. Sorry, it's going to the left, because the second value is going to be the column. So the column -1 means going left, and this one, the column +1, means going right, and so on and so forth. In this way, we will have 4 directions. Okay, and then I just need to iterate all the directions, and then let's say dr equals to p0 plus di 0, and then dc equals to p0, which is the row. Oh, sorry, it's the column. It should be p1 and d1, di1. So out mean dr is less than 0, or dc is less than 0, or dr is greater or equal to height, or dc is greater or equal to width. If it is out, or this thing is already visited, like the next location already visited, then it just continue. Otherwise, it is not out and it is not visited, so we have to mark them as visited. dr dc equals true, and then hold on, let's pull that level. Hold on. If P0 equals to end R and P1 equals to end C, we just return this level, I think. Yeah, we return this level. So, and then we just queue offer to this dr and dc. I guess that's about it actually. I'm not entirely sure. What else did I miss? I think I missed nothing. It should be good enough. Cur C. Yeah, sorry. And then cur R equals to location 0. Cur C equals to location 1. Let me read through all that first. Height and then the width, location, and I filled out this location. Value at. Yeah, this actually looks good to me. So the time complexity for this is n cubed. Not n cubed, it's like h times w. H squared, I think. H times w times h times w. So it's like h times w squared. I think that should work. Not sure. Locations. Let me try writing the code, I think. Okay, I need to level plus here. Yeah. That should be the only thing that I'm missing. Let's try that. Oh, great. BFS cannot be applied to this. What? NRNC BFS. Oh, okay, I need to pass the first. Of course. 10. It's not true. Is it? So, hold on a minute. It shouldn't be that. So 0, 0. Let's go to 0, 1. It should be 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. How come? Value. Okay, so, because you go to 0 first. Of course. And then if it is 0, then you cannot visit it. Oh, fucking course. I totally forgot. If value is greater than 0. If it is visited, or, first get dr, get dc equal to 0. So it means it's blocked, and we cannot go there. Let's try this word. 0 is a 6th, so returning 6th. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Let's try that. Let's return -1. Okay. Let's try this. You should return 6. Should return 6 again. I think that looks pretty good to me. Well, the thing is that it could be just 1. So the answer should be 0, I think. Yeah, it should be 0. I think so. Height 16. Let's try something like that. Does it work? Okay. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay. Now it's debugging time, I assume. What is missing? 423 001 765. Should expected is 10. Huh. What? Wait, you're starting at 0, 0, right? Cut off all the trees. Wait, doesn't make sense. There's no way. I don't see how it is. I don't see how is it going to be just 10. So it's like starting at 0, 0. So it's going to go there. So like 0, 1 step, 2 steps. So that's like 3 steps. What the hell was that? A trigger Siri for some reason. Okay, I'm so unprofessional. Anyway. Okay. 3. So it's like 3 and plus 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the first step is 0. Let's see if that even works first. Let's see. Let me comment this out. Damn, it's like a live debugging. Let's try to run this. It's 3 plus. So it's like 3 because 3 plus something, something, something. So the first one is going to be 3 at the very least. Let's see if that works. Because you need to go from, yeah, it's actually kind of makes sense. So 3 and then 2 because you go back to there. 2 and then 3, 1 step, and then 2 step, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 step, and then 1, 1. How in the actual world that can be walked through? 1 step, you must cut off the trees in order from shortest to tallest. When you cut off a tree, the value at its cell become 1. Starting from point 0, 0, return the minimum step you need to walk to cut all the trees. If you cannot cut off all the trees, return -1. The input is generated such that no two trees have the same height. I still don't get it. Why is it? Okay, I have 16 minutes left. Can I even solve it in time? Now that's a question. 4, 2, 3, 1. What am I thinking? Why is it 10? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why is it 10? 4, 2, 3, 1, 5. 4, 2, 3, 1, 5. So I have 4 more steps than necessary. But do you know there's actually like 4 more steps necessary? And what is it? It's 2. Hold on. Does it mean that it's actually start from the smallest value, starting from a point 0, 0, return the minimum step you need to walk to cut off all the trees? Or at least there is one tree needs to be cut off. Hmm. 4, 2, 3, and then 0, 0, 1. What? Doesn't make any sense. Did I miss something in the description? You must cut off the trees in order from shortest to tallest. When you cut off a tree, the value of that itself becomes 1. Starting from the point 0, 0, return the minimum steps you need to walk to cut off all the trees. If you cannot cut off all the trees, return -1. It doesn't make sense though. You can choose where to cut it or. But you must cut off the tree from the shortest to the longest. I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. It's like 4. Let's go to 1. I actually don't get it. So it's like 4, 2, 3, 1. So you need to go there. So it's like 3 steps to go there. And you need to go back to 2, which is 2 steps. And you go to 3, which is 1 step. And you go to 4, which is 2 steps. And you go to 1 again, which is 4 steps. Is it 4 steps? It's 1, 2, 3. Wait, it's 3 steps. What are you talking about? Hold on. So there's 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Okay. This is 1 step, this is 2 step. So let's go to 2. And there's 1 step again. Go to 3. And it's 2 step. 1 step, 2 step. Let's go to 4. And it's 4 step to go to 1. 1 step, 2 step. Wait, it's 3 step. It should be just 3 steps to go from 0, 0 to 1. And it's 1 step. So even that is just 13. But the correct answer is 10. I don't get it. What on earth does that even mean? It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. You know what? Let's just also print the cur arrow and cur C to see if this actually works. 0, 0, 3, 1. Okay, we're gonna go result 0, 3. Wait, what? No. Wait, what? Carl, Percy, 2. Huh. What? Did you sort it? Wait a second. What are you even doing here? Curve arrow. So this is 1 and 2. 1, 0, 1, 2. Ah, actually makes sense. And you go from there. And then you go from there. Yeah, this actually makes sense. What in the world? What am I even thinking about? P0 and P1. I don't get that. This. Can I do it? I still have 9 minutes. Like, I want to know why it is not 14. Why is it not 14 though? There's plus 2 and plus 1. And then plus 1. And then 1, 2, 3, and plus 3, and then plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. That's definitely, yeah, that's definitely not what I would expect. Values. You're going from the smallest to the biggest, no? Cut off all the trees. You cannot, if you cannot cut off all the trees, return negative 1. No two trees have the same height, and there's at least one needs to be cut off. Okay, what does that even mean? Number greater than 1 represents a tree in a cell that can be walked through. And this number is the tree's height. In one step, you can walk in any of the 4 directions: north, east, south, and west. If you are standing in a cell with a tree, you can choose whether to cut it off or not. You must cut off trees in order from shortest to tallest. When you cut off a tree, the value at its cell becomes 1. An empty cell. So 0 is an obstacle. Number step we need to walk. We don't get that. Okay. You must cut off the trees in order from the shortest to the tallest. Okay, I'm so frustrated. I really want to know why it is not. Wait, what? First of all, it should be 13 instead of 14. I have no idea why I'm outputting 14. That's the first question. And the second question is that even if it is 14, it's still a wrong answer because the correct answer is 10. Okay, that's really frustrating. Did some mistakes here? First. Distance. Hmm. Fuck. I don't get it. Okay, I don't think I can solve it. No. It's so frustrating. At least let me know why this failed. I don't get it. Your input is generated such that no two trees have the same height, and there is at least one tree needs to be cut off. Yeah, I don't get it. Why does it not work? This. Hmm. Uh, tree. Well, I think. Well, at least I want to know why it's 13 instead of 14. Because location arrow. Okay. Two, three, four. I don't get that. I certainly don't have any idea. Damn. I got wrong. Just I honestly don't have any idea. I don't get it. I'm I'm so confused. What should I do? There's like 10 seconds left. Can I actually solve it? Definitely not. But I just want to know why it's failing. I don't get it. Okay, I guess time's up. Okay. Okay. This was actually a hard problem. For some stupid reason, like the last test case fell. It's just really bad. Okay. I haven't done this for so long, so yeah, I'm really trying to make an excuse. Well, I'm still beat 76% of users. Okay, I'll take that. Yeah, I'm really confused. I'll try to think about that later, maybe. I don't know why this actually failed. But yeah. Hope you learned something from this. That's pretty much all for this video.